Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is a ND8 filter. It's not meant for this particular camera. It was back when I had my GoPro Hero 4. Now you'll take notice when I start to bring this close and place it on. It's going to have a reddish hue, brownish reddish hue, as you can see right there. Now, it's not super bright. I'm on 4K 30 frames per second, and I'll do it this way, halfway. Now I put it on there, and you can see how it looks. I don't know if I like that, right? So, do you like it without or with? I think I like it without. Let's bring you to a CPL filter. Again, Hero 4. And what does a CPL filter do? Let's see if I can do this for you. And it's very difficult for me to do it this particular way. There you go. You see it working? Almost got it right there. One more time. Right there. You see how the glare is on there? And the glare goes off. That's what a CPL does. Glare on, glares off. I hope this video may have helped you out somewhat. I really don't have much use taking off the official DJI protector and putting on these filters and using it. But I hope you may find some excellent use for it. On that note, thank you very much for stopping by, and I see you on many other videos to come.